we can do on a computer is fill what is now air, what used to be the brain, and create this virtual imprint of the brain.
And effectively, this red here, this is the fill. So this is the imprint.
Yes, so that's the virtual imprint of the brain case. What we consistently find is that Neanderthals had very similar brain sizes to what modern humans have. On average, they were even bigger than people living today, but they had very different shapes.
So if we put these side by side,
yeah, so if you compare them in profile, it's very easy to see that modern humans have this round head and Neanderthals has these elongated brain cases. And that, of course, corresponds to the shape of the brain.
Is there a way of getting this in our hands?
Yeah, so what we can do is we can create a 3D printout, and then you can have it in your own hands and touch it and feel the ridges and bumps.
3D printing is a prime example of how modern technology can help us understand the distant past. Within just a few hours, Jean-Jacques Hublin is able to grow a model of a complete Neanderthal brain.
Look at that. It's magic.
Initially, the result looks like a big yellow blancmange, but as the excess casing is removed, the detailed structure emerges. And although it looks a lot like a modern human brain, it is also very different.
Voila, a fresh and clean Neanderthal brain.
This is incredible. So Jean-Jacques, you brought your cape to London.
I brought you a Neanderthal brain. And there are morphological differences that we can see between this mold of the inner cavity of a skull in a modern human and a Neanderthal. And what we think is that it could be this part of the brain, the cerebellum, that might be much bigger in modern humans than in Neanderthals. The cerebellum is a very important part of the brain with a lot of neurons, and we know that it's involved in the learning of especially repetitive actions.
The problem is, of course, so much of it is about interconnections. We don't have measures of how dense the neurons are, although maybe the DNA is beginning to tell us there could be differences between us and Neanderthals.